Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Jake Randolph, and this is my brother Leonard Slick.
How's it going, folks?
Today we're going to show you how to make something fun and festive for St. Patrick's Day, Shamrock Jello. Alright Leonard, what do we need to make this?
Simple. We'll need lime gelatin, some sweetened condensed milk, and a few drops of green food coloring.
Perfect, let's get started. Leonard, why are we adding green food coloring if the gelatin is already green?
Good question, Jake. The food coloring will give it a nice vibrant green color, perfect for St. Paddy's Day.
Now while that's setting, we're going to prepare the white layer. Leonard, what's next?
We'll need to mix some sweetened condensed milk with hot water until it's smooth.
Alright, now that our green gelatin has set, it's time to add the white layer on top. Leonard, do the honors. Looking good, Leonard. Now we just need to let it set in the refrigerator for a few hours. Alright folks, the moment of truth. Let's see how our Shamrock Jello turned out.
Look at that. It turned out amazing.
Absolutely, and it's so easy to make, perfect for a St. Patrick's Day celebration. Well folks, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen.
Yeah, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes.
Happy St. Patrick's Day everyone.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The shoutouts that we have for this video goes to Toot, Isaiah the Gamer BTS, Ashley Pinkney, Christy McIntosh, and Solomon Ament. Thanks for tuning in and being part of our fantastic community. Your support means the world to me. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment below. Your engagement truly keeps the channel thriving. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And check out my portfolio website for exclusive content and additional information. Thanks again for being the best audience ever, and we'll see you next time.
Coming up next, the Apang 18. We'll be right back. Keep it here.